Maple Sport floors have become more colorful, vibrant, and creative over the years. Teams are always looking for new ways to stand out from the competition. The Bona Sport waterborne tinting and glazing system has given teams the bright, vibrant athletic floors they strive to achieve and a stained appearance. The Bona Sport system has many benefits, including fast dry times, the ability to tint over large areas at one time. Following our process will give your floors the championship look they deserve. Prior to recoating a Maple Sport floor, be sure to inspect for any board damage needing attention. Also, use the proper safety equipment, including eye, hearing, and breathing protection. Sand the floor using MFMA standards, consisting of a minimum of 3 cuts. For example, use a drum or belt sander with the cut sequence of 36 grit, 50 grit, and 80 grit. It is imperative not to skip more than 1 grit during this process. For the final sanding stage, the Bona Sport team recommends using a Bona multi-disc with Bona 120 grit diamond abrasives to ensure a proper finish and to best prepare the floor for accepting stain. Using a 150 screen will result in swirl marks on the floor. For this reason, the Bona Sport team recommends using diamond discs. In glazing and finishing, floor preparation is key. Vacuum and dry tack the floor with a Bona Supercourt microfiber pad to remove excess dust from the floor. Tape and mask the area where stain will be applied. It's important to have enough mask, as you will be pulling on and off the mask. Re-roll the tape to minimize bleed underneath. A recommended ratio for Bona Supersport paint and Bona Supersport DTS is 1/8, or 16 ounces of paint per gallon of DTS. The ratio can be increased or decreased depending on the color you are looking to achieve. The best practice is 2 lighter coats to achieve a more consistent look and color. Using these different ratios will achieve the light or dark color your customer wants to achieve. First, stir individual products to ensure consistent color and consistency. Then, mix together paint and sealer to apply to the floor. Apply the product using 2 lightweight T-bars with a nanoflock sleeve. One will be used to apply, while the second is used to absorb and blend excess product. Pour a 3 to 6 inch line of product following the grain of the wood. Keep application run straight and follow immediately with a dry T-bar to remove excess mixture and prevent lap marks. Use the masked off area to pull the excess material onto the end of each run. Do not turn and feather like you would on a regular finish application. Apply thinner applications for a more consistent result. Applying multiple coats will make the color darker. Unwanted marks and extra product can be cleaned up by spot sanding with a 120 grit diamond abrasive to remove. Let the product dry for 3 to 4 hours. Seal the floor with the Bona Sport Sealer and waterborne finish of your choice to protect the floor from scratches, scuffs, dirt, and debris. When using waterborne paint, no abrading or buffing is necessary if completed before 48 hours after application. Once you've created this great new floor design, be sure the floor is properly maintained. Our Bona Supercourt Cleaner Concentrate should be used 3 times per week during normal conditions and every day during high traffic times of year to remove dirt, dust, and debris. During the winter, Bona Supercourt Winter Cleaner Concentrate will get rid of dirt, debris, snowmelt, and sodium chloride to keep your floors game ready. For more information on Bona Sport products and systems, visit Bona.com or reach out to your Bona Sport sales representative.